In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your videos to black and white in KineMaster. So I have here this video and I'd like to turn it to black and white. To do that, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the timeline. And once you're on the timeline, scroll down until you see this option called filter. If you go ahead and tap on filter, scroll down until you see this option or this filter called mono. If you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have various filters for black and white that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose from this list and look at the effects that they have on your photo or on your images. And now from here, choose the one you like. I like to choose this. And you can as well go ahead and adjust the intensity of the black and white that you need. So if you want to be black and white, you can adjust it or leave it at 100%. Once you're done, now you can exit and your filters will be added. And now when the video plays, it will be playing in white and black. So that's how you add black and white filters on your photos or on your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.